Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change product color for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro in the application. You have to start by open QCY app, and your headphones should be turned on and connected to the application. So then you will see headphones menu, and you have three options how to change the color. The first one, in the status menu, you need to click at the three dots near to your earbuds, and right here we have product color. So select your color by just tap on it, and then you can close it, and we just change the color. The second option is to switch to sound or settings, and now we have this earbud icon, because if in the status we have it, tap at this icon. Right here we have device information, and at the bottom you'll find product color. Tap at this line, and then again we have different colors, so tap at yours, and as you can see we also change it. The third option is to go to the settings, then scroll down, so you will see this menu. You need to scroll down, find more settings at the bottom, then device information, and the same menu, device information menu. So right here we have color, and tap at your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.